this. Let's see if you can see it. That is a big spider. Is working diligently to make a web for the hikers to go through tomorrow morning. It is creepy. It's like that big. Ramblings of a thru hiker. So I never pass up the opportunity to use a glorious porta potty. Of course, unless I didn't know there was going to be a porta potty and I went 5 minutes beforehand. But yeah, they're wonderful. Basalt. Basalt. There's a lot of basalt. Huge chunks of basalt. This was all lava at one point. I mean, it's cooled and broken into chunks, but it's just like this huge mound of it. Yep. I interrupt these messages to let you know that I am tired and I don't want to walk anymore today. But I have to. I have to go at least 5 more miles to get to water. So, and I'm going to want water tonight. So on I walk. I'm steadily getting closer to Crater Lake, but this morning I'm walking through an area where a few years ago there was a fire, so everything is burnt, and now the fog is blowing through, and sometimes the trees crack. I don't know if you can see the fog, but it reminds me of Fantasia 2000, because out of all death and blackness, the flowers and life are just starting to come back to bloom. Woo, 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 I've made it to Crater Lake National Park. I'm so excited. Oh, no mushroom picking. Okay. Woo! I've been waiting so long to make it here. I am quite excited. Okay, I haven't heard them in a while. They haven't been around, but they're back. The cheeseburger birds. I think they're actually chickadees, but they go cheeseburger, cheeseburger. And when you're going into town, it can be quite taunting, or at least sometimes motivating. It's like, yeah, I want a cheeseburger, and I hurried to town at least once. So I got to town and the restaurant had already closed, so I was sad, but it should be early enough today. I don't know if I'll get a cheeseburger. but I'll see what they got. I'm excited.
Really cool one.
Yay! I made it to Crater Lake and it is just stunning. It is absolutely stunning. I won't quite be hiking all the way around it. Well, I wasn't gonna hike all the way around it. Hiking around it as much as I thought, but I still should get a chance to hike some because I've been offered a ride to the swimming area, so I'm gonna go swim inside a volcano. So excited. I just went swimming in Crater Lake. I went swimming in a volcano. I am so excited. It is so gorgeous here. I'm not gonna be hiking all the way around the dream trail like I thought. I don't really care. This was totally worth it. I hope to come back someday. The smoke is setting in for the night, so it's getting harder to see the lake. But it is there. Nice little inner volcano. I know I'm losing it from the smoke, but it's still gorgeous. Sad to leave this tonight. And following the room trail, it goes off that way around the room. I hail to the call of the cheeseburger bird, the cheeseburger bird, the cheeseburger bird. I hail to the call of the cheeseburger bird, the cheeseburger bird, burger bird. Okay, see all the little white rocks? It's pumice. It's pumice everywhere, and it is so lightweight. It's awesome. Let's see. I don't know if that's pumice right there. Ooh. No, that's not pumice. But even some of the boulders, they're easy to like pick up and toss back and forth. It's so light. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm walking by Mount Tilson. That slope is so steep and tall. It's amazing. There's the trail, the trees. Luckily, I'm not going up there. It's pretty though.